Welcome back, beauties. It is our bestie hair day and we are finally doing the maximum hydration method on 4C hair. If you haven't seen my previous video on what is the maximum hydration and the step-by-step with full recipe details, please make sure to check that out. It's really important. Now, to go in on my bestie's hair, step 1, we're going to clarify using the Camille Rose Clean Rinse. And this is her hair after freshly being shampooed twice. Then for step 2, we are going to use the Cherry Lola, and the recipe is on the previous video. So to start off, I section the hair into 2, and then I roughly apply the hair mask to the hair that I will not be working on first. Then for the hair I'm going to be working on, I apply the mask and then I work in really small sections, making sure to finger detangle, removing all the shedded hair and coating the hair with product. She sat with the hair treatment for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Then her hair was rinsed out in lukewarm water. Step 3. Condition with a protein-free product. Her being high porosity, she doesn't have much products that are free of protein. I took a bottle and added a little bit of the Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner and then some aloe vera juice to create a spritz. Sprayed it all over her hair, and then she went under the steamer for 15 minutes just to give her hair an extra boost of moisture and to soften it more. Step 4, the clay, which to me is the best part of this whole regimen. For the measurements, I did not use a measuring cup, no measuring spoon, so everything was just pretty much eyeballed. And I just went in knowing how much I was going to need to cover all her hair and making sure I was not going to run out of any of the clay. Very important, when applying the clay mask, you want to work in really small sections because the whole point of this is to making sure the hair comes out super defined, so when you want to do a wash and go, honey, the curls are popping. And I always keep a spray bottle with me because your hair dries out. If your hair dries out fast or if it was feeling dry afterwards, keep the spray bottle with you. It will help you apply the clay much more easier to your hair. You want to make sure you're finger detangling and smoothing the clay into your hair from roots to ends, from ends to roots. Shingling, finger detangling, and making sure the hair is just clumping together. After 2 hours, the hair has been rinsed out in lukewarm water. Do you guys see all this definition out here? Oh wait, let me rephrase that. Do you foresee this in your near future? I always hear people saying that. Y'all stop with the negative talk, because 4C hair can do anything type 3 hair can do. Don't listen to all that negative talk, okay? Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this hair? Yeah, I'm going in with water first just to make sure the hair doesn't dry up. There's no product on it, just water. The last step is to style, and a protein-free, especially a natural product, is best to use. Kinky Curly comes highly recommended. Now, my apologies, my camera did not record when I started to style my friend's hair. For the steps that you missed, all I went ahead and did was I sectioned her hair into two. I applied the leave-in throughout her whole head, and then I went in smaller sections, sprayed more water, applied a little bit more leave-in, and then went in with the gel to define the hair. Of course, I'm using a smoothing method, and I do shingle, but I basically just rake my hands through her hair and let her hair just naturally clump. This was a successful and beautiful hydrated wash day. Don't let anyone ever tell you your hair can't do this or can't do that. Your hair can do whatever you want your hair to do. You just have to know how to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys for the next video.